Okay, May 23rd, 3:37 p.m. This is super cool. It's like this sort of paved and then dirt section right alongside the river where the canal boats used to go out into the river and get dragged by the donkeys. There's usually people fishing here, but they're not here today. At least not this end. Maybe it's the other end. Yeah, I see somebody at the other end, maybe. Nope, it's a bike. But it goes on for a long way. So cool stuff. I love it. It's one of my, this is probably my second favorite section. This is also a lot easier to pedal, except for this damn headwind. I don't like that. All right, probably not gonna do much more video until I get to the campsite. Hi, welcome to Jordan Junction. I got here last night, forgot to do a video. It is Monday the 24th at 7:13 a.m. I actually did like 106, 107 miles, but to get my stupid GPS to agree with me that I did 100, I had to do some extra mileage to get it up there. So anyways, this is Jordan Junction. I've stayed here before. That's Paul, the gentleman I met on the trip. Very friendly fella. There's a porta pot that, yeah, it's a porta pot. The water pump, which actually is a pretty good one. Big ass tree, lots of big ass trees here. And there used to be one there. They cut it down though. The river is down there. It's not the easiest access, but you can get down to it and get back. Paul actually went swimming yesterday. He's a big time like hiker guy. He's hiked all over the place, so he's a little more adaptable to that stuff. I'm not interested in going swimming so much. So gotta tear down the tent. And see if we can't. My butt's gonna be in your face, so just so you know. That was your heads up. Like your short butt. No, covered by my. And yes, if you hear sounds, it's rain. It started raining last night and apparently hasn't let up. So. The nice thing about Jordan Junction is you can get your tent stakes in pretty easy, so I like that. It's the little things, really. Did I forget something? like this little tent. It's quite reliable. A little bit. Weird thing this tent does. These little indie bits will come out. The nice thing about that is I guess technically it means it's replaceable. I don't know how realistic it would be to get the parts, but hitchhikers. Sled was trying to hitchhike. It's only that one joint. It doesn't want to go up an 8. Come on. There we go. Whew. I just smacked myself right in the nuts. Holy